show you how I make a cabbage pico de gallo. This is great for tacos, just to eat with chips and salsa, with guac. This is really simple, really easy. So I've started with 1 cup of finely chopped green cabbage. I'm going to add 1 cup chopped red tomato, 1 cup white onion, this is also very delicious with 1 cup red onion, but I'm just using what I have on hand. This is half a cup finely chopped cilantro. Smell it?
Smells like chopped cilantro.
I love the smell of cilantro.
Cilantro is so good.
You want to make sure that your cilantro is very finely chopped. Really helps create that aromatic smell.
Does that affect flavor at all?
Yeah, it helps bring the flavor out.
By a lot or just a little?
No, it's a noticeable difference.
Is this something you'd recommend doing?
Finely chopping your cilantro.
Yeah.
A lot of your fresh herbs, before you use them, if you just, some people rub them. Things like fresh parsley, things like that. They'll rub the leaves, break the leaves. That helps bring the oils out and help some of the flavor come out. Two tablespoons freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 teaspoon salt. We'll mix this together. So I finished mixing all of my ingredients together. I know a lot of people like a little bit of jalapeno in their pico de gallo. I prefer a little less spice, a little less heat, so I opted to omit the jalapeno today. But if you do jalapeno, I would only do 1 to 2 depending on how much heat you want. You can also add a little chili powder, cumin. It's yours, make it yours. So I'm gonna pop a lid on this. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour to allow that lime to help break everything down, break some of the acidity down in the onions. And then I'm gonna pull it out and we'll eat it with our tacos.